Hey, I'm Zach, and today we're going to go over how to turn your laser engraver into almost a 3D engraver itself. You're watching Prince of Geeks, stick around. Now, the really cool thing is you're only going to need three things to get this done. You need your computer, you need your laser engraver, and most importantly, you need to understand about height maps. So let me give you an example of what a height map looks like. Now, this is what we call a height map. A height map, very simply put, is you have a lighter color area here, which represents an easier or a lighter power engraving, and darker colors like here, which represents a darker color engraving. Now, what you do is you go to your image here in your layers, and you double click on it to open it. Now, you'll have here in the image mode options for grayscale. That's what you're going to be using grayscale because it'll cover those different images, the different image layer heights. Now, I've gone ahead and set the number of passes to, let's call it 6. I've got my speed set and I've got my maximum power for the darker areas and my minimum power for the lighter areas. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to let this thing run. I'm going to also do constant power mode, which means I should probably lower this just a little bit or maybe even speed this up, depending on what I want to do. We can speed it up, keep it at around 70, say 32 and a half, take care of all that and we hit okay. Now, once we've got our wood aligned and everything is all set, we're going to go ahead and start seeing this thing is going to take maybe 5 hours. So I will catch you guys at the end of the day when it is all said and done. I'm just about to go to bed, but the engraving is done. Now, it didn't turn out fantastic, but in my detriment, I don't even want to say defense, but in my detriment, the wood wasn't a great quality wood, but take a gander at this. If you catch it at an angle, and even if you look at it on the top, you'll see that there actually are some depth engravings. Given that this was the original photo, I think it looks pretty spot on, given everything. There's some damaged wood there from just really crappy wood quality, but there you go, 3D engraving without all the fluff. If you like the video, drop a sub. I got more content coming weekly. Thank you guys very much, and you've been watching Prince of Geeks.